applied for a house and it's in Shearwater, which if you live in northern Tassie, you probably know where that is. If not, it's basically a little beachy area town in between Launceston and Devonport. It's my favourite place to go in summer, and when we got back I was just like, you know what, fuck this, let's just move somewhere we want to actually live. So we found a house, we applied, and I just got off the phone with the real estate and we got it. And like on paper, our application, it doesn't look that good. Like we both are still casual at the time, Brett's full-time now. You know, we have a little dog that comes inside, but we got it. And I just got off the phone, like I was just having coffee with my friend in Deloraine, and just as I was about to leave Deloraine, I got a call from them and I'm so excited. I was gonna call Brett and tell him, but I've decided to wait and I'm gonna tell him when I get home. This is the start of our moving vlogs, of adult life, of everything. I'm just so excited because, so it's Friday today and Thursday next week I get to pick up the keys. So I'm just so happy. Anyway, yeah. We got the house!
We got the house, Papa!
Are you happy we got the house?
Yeah, fucking oath.
Alright, it's a few days later now. I thought I'd kind of sit down and explain the situation because when I started this video I was very excited. So we got the house in Shearwater. I've always wanted to live near the beach, by the beach. It's just been an absolute dream of mine. I love the beach, and yeah, we're just moving to a small sleepy little beachside town, and it's about 20 minutes drive away from Devonport and about an hour's drive away from Launceston. So we're not that far away from like cities or anything like that, and it just seemed like the perfect place. So yeah, we got the house. It's not fancy or new or anything like that. It's pretty old and outdated, but it serves every purpose that we need it to, and it's in a good location, and hopefully, fingers crossed, this will be our last ever rental property if we can get our lives sorted quickly enough. So us moving in is not really us moving in because, as you know, we don't have anything, we don't own anything. We've just spent the last couple of days kind of buying a couple of things, and we've decided that because of, and I'm just going to keep it 100% real here, because of money, we are not going to furnish the whole house straight away. We're basically just doing the essentials of the bedroom and the kitchen, and that's it. And yeah, so we've bought a mattress and a bed, and we're going to buy a fridge and a washing machine and just like some essentials for the kitchen. But apart from that, it's going to be an empty house for quite a while. And that's me keeping it real, with money restraints, because basically Brett's going to be working full time and I am not. Unfortunately, they couldn't re-employ me, or they couldn't put me back on full time now, and they probably couldn't for a few months, if 6 months or whatever. So I'm still technically employed as casual and I can do bits and pieces if they need me, but I am on the hunt for another job, whether it be full-time or permanent part-time, whether it be in admin or retail or whatever. So because of that, because we don't have two incomes, we've only got the one, we couldn't just go out and buy everything because we didn't want to blow all of our savings, because then, you know, what if something happens, you know? So that's me keeping it real. Just wanted to update you on that. The rest of the video will hopefully be more exciting. I'll show you some things I have bought, and the moving in day, which will be on Thursday, and everything like that. So yeah, just keeping it 100. It's moving day. Just went to the real estate, picked up the keys, had a bit of trouble opening the door, but I got there in the end. This is our house. So before my parents get here with my mattress, because they were lovely enough to go and pick that up, I'm going to give you a quick empty house tour. Yeah. Okay, so that's the front door area, and then standing here you look out into, that's the kitchen obviously, and then this is the lounge room, so just a basic room, pretty small. To the left is going to be our bedroom. again, and small, and there's a wardrobe there. You can actually walk through the bedroom and there's another door which leads to a hallway, which there's an upstairs area. This is the bathroom. Just a basic bathroom, pretty outdated, as you can see. That's me, hey. And then this leads obviously back into the kitchen. Pretty stoked to have this kitchen. I should have our fridges arriving tomorrow, so that'll be good. Some shelves up there, just a kitchen. And then, oh, that's the lounge room from here. This, I'm really excited about, is a pantry. Oh my God, there's a light. I never noticed that. Oh, and our power's already on. Brilliant. Before we go out the back, let's go upstairs. How exciting. I've always wanted to live in a 2-story house. So up here, it's blue and I hate it. You can see the line here. I hate that it's blue. Once we live here for a bit, I might actually ask the owner if we can paint it because I hate it. But it's just this big open area, kind of like a second living room. There's a TV thing there, so I reckon it was a second living room. And then this is the second bedroom. A lot smaller than the first one, but it is a bedroom. Don't know what we're going to use it for. And then we have a little sunroom, which I'm so excited about. How cute is this? Oh, love it. Love it. And then in the backyard, I won't show too much, but there's a little shed. So, yeah. All right, back to the back door. Let's go out here. And we have a deck, which is, oh, I'm so excited to have a deck and to get an outdoor setting and stuff like that. It's pretty big too. And then this is our little laundry, which our washing machine's arriving tomorrow as well. But honestly, this is probably my favorite room in the house, the fact that we have an outdoor laundry. So yeah, this is our house for the next however long. I'm just gonna unload my car. It's so cold in here because it's like empty and whatever, and it's not a very warm day, so I'm gonna go start bringing stuff in from my car. Just realized there's no toilet paper. I need to go to the toilet and I didn't bring any. Whatever, but we have a house. I'm so excited. And I have 2 job prospects that are looking promising, so hopefully by the end of next week I'll have a job too, which will just be even better. Good morning. It's Friday. It's day 2, the second and last day of moving. As you can see, got the mattress in behind me. My parents brought that up. And today, it's about 9 o'clock. Today, the fridge and the washing machine are getting delivered hopefully this morning, so that by tonight, you know, they're on and working and stuff. Ali's actually coming. She took the day off work, and she's gonna come help me just like sort some stuff out because there's just crap everywhere. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're just going to be waiting for the fridge and the washing machine to arrive, and then Ali and I are going to sort through what we need to sort through. I just realized, no, I didn't forget our toiletries. And then this afternoon, just depending what time Brett finishes work, well, we're going to do it anyway, but it might just be later, we actually have to drive back up to Launceston to get Brett's personal car and the caravan and Charlie, and then bring that all down here. And then yeah, tonight will be our first night in the house. I'm really excited. Our bed frame also arrived yesterday while we were here, so Ali and I are going to set that up today and hopefully not fail at it. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna I just turned the heater on just to warm the house up a little bit, because with no furnishings and stuff, it just gets a bit, you know, empty houses are just colder than houses with furniture. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for Ali to get here, and sorry about the terrible lighting. It's overcast and I've got the light above me on, and yeah, and everything's a mess. Everything's a mess. Mess. We just put the bed together, easy, done, no worries. And then these little side tables, they're just not. So, they're not okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of, wow, I look atrocious. I'm just gonna try and organize the wardrobe and the bedroom a bit, and then the kitchen, and then Harvey and Norman still haven't arrived, so hopefully they arrive in the next, I don't even know what time it is, in the next like hour or so, I don't know. So it's about 1:15, I think. Ali's just left, and Brett should be here about 2. And then the fridge and washing machine, I got a call from them, and they're gonna be here about 2:33. So, well, that's what they said anyway. So yeah, Ali and I just kind of put some stuff away in the cupboards. We still need to clean up the bedroom. I really need to get a chest of drawers for the bedroom because there's just not enough storage for all of our clothes. Well, there is, but like it's not good storage. So I'm gonna look on that on Facebook and Gumtree tonight for that. Yeah, so I'm just kind of just cleaning up a bit, waiting for Brett to get here. Hello, Ma. What's going on? Yeah, I just got an email saying that it was getting delivered today, so. Anyway, I'm gonna go, my battery is flashing, so I'm gonna put it on charge. I will keep you updated. I'll film again when everything is being delivered. Also, Mum just told me our microwave has been delivered to their house, so I can pick that up tonight, which is good. All right, so it's day 3. I didn't expect to be filming today, but why the heck not? This is a bunch of stuff that we had in the storage unit and some from the caravan that we're gonna put in storage in this wardrobe. So I am just gonna get started on that today, and then I'll show you basically where we're at, and then that'll be it. Then we're moved in for now until we get more furniture. Okay, so this is like not pretty at all, but it's just it's all I can do for now, you know, with money and everything. So I've just put it all in basically. The only tiny bit of organization is that this is gonna be like all of our camera equipment. So these drawers fit perfectly, which I'm so stoked about. I might just have to secure them so they don't knock about. Yeah, and I've just got some sewing stuff, sentimental stuff. This, bags and stuff. This little esky is full of camera cords that I need proper storage for, which will go in there, but you know, for now they're just sitting in there, up there. And unfortunately I couldn't fit that thing in there. I will maybe eventually, but I'll just have to like rejig some stuff. But at the moment, you know, we're not using up here, so it's not important. So I've just put it in the corner. But yeah, that's that job done. All right, so the rubbish that was all here is gone. Charlie's got her bed there. I'm gonna find a spot for her little crate, and that's just some stuff that's gotta move. I did a load of washing in our new washing machine, very excited. Our bedroom is looking great. I just love this, minus the crap on Brett's thing. And there's the dog. We're gonna get a tall boy. I've just actually ordered it. That's gonna go here and hold like our undies and stuff and just other stuff. And then I'll move this ladder around, but I'm just loving this vibe. Back out to the kitchen. I've sorted some stuff away. I've got tape on the ground because there's a dining table I'm looking at and I just want to make sure it like fits in the space properly. And oh, we have a new fridge. I'm so excited. So we got stainless steel, which is what Brett wanted. And I kind of did as well. And we got bottom mounted, which is what I wanted. So basically the freezer is at the bottom. got nothing in there, and it just makes so much more sense to me to have the freezer at the bottom than at the top, because like you're using the fridge every single day, so why would you bend down when everything could be at your height? Anyway, got the fridge, so excited. Also got our microwave, it's all black. If you want to know about any of this stuff, I will leave links down below of the stuff we bought. Up there is looking like that. Got a kettle, I've just done the dishes. There's still like a mess around because I'm still sorting stuff out, obviously. And this is our washing machine, just a very basic washing machine, but yeah, I've done 2 loads in it so far and I love it. It has like so many settings and I'm like in love with it, so yeah. It's now Sunday. I'm gonna end this vlog here because yeah, we're basically moved in everything that we can move in. It's just not gonna get, everything now is just gonna be very slow. So obviously I'll do vlogs and house updates and home hauls and stuff of what's going on, but yeah, so I moved in and this morning I took Charlie for a walk. I just wanted to kind of like, I didn't film it because I was like, no, I just want to go for a walk, see how we feel, you know, what's going on, just take it all in, and I loved it. We went down to the beach, one of the beaches, and it's an off-leash dog beach. In winter it's like 24/7, but in the summer months it's like only certain times because it gets really busy. I didn't let her off the lead though, just because she's like, it's the first time she's ever been here, and you know, it's just, I just wanted her to get a bit more familiar with it first. And also she's not the greatest at coming back when she's cold because she just gets way too excited. So yeah, but getting way off on a tangent. I'm just so happy. Like, I live by the beach. Like, what? Like, I honestly never thought this would happen. Like, I'm just so happy to be living here. So yeah, okay, thanks for watching this vlog. I know it's a mammoth one for me, but you know, I just wanted to put it all into one video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. The vlogs will most likely be like house related going forward for a little while we get everything sorted, but yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's at beceldrup, and I will see you guys in the next video.